In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OCR in Apple Notes. First, start by opening the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. This is usually found on your home screen, represented by a yellow notepad icon. Once you open the app, you can either select an existing note that you want to add text to or tap on the option to create a new note. This part is crucial because it sets the stage for the entire process. By choosing an existing note or starting fresh, you ensure that your scanned text will be organized exactly where you want it. It might take a moment to navigate, but you'll appreciate having everything in one place. Next, look for the Attachments button, which looks like a paperclip icon. Tapping this button will open up a menu filled with various options for adding content to your note. This step is significant because it introduces you to the different ways you can enhance your notes. The Attachments button is your gateway to scanning and adding media, making your notes more dynamic and informative. Once you tap this button, you will see options that guide you through the next steps. From there, tap on the option labeled Scan Text. This will activate your camera, preparing it to recognize and capture printed or handwritten text. This functionality is impressive because it utilizes Apple's advanced Optical Character Recognition or OCR technology. It means that your device can actually understand and digitize the text it sees. Once you select this, your screen will transition to the camera view where you can start the scanning process. Now, point your iPhone camera at the text you want to capture. Make sure the text is well lit and within the frame for the best results. As you do this, pay attention to how the camera focuses on the text, ready to recognize it. This step is vital because if the text is blurry or poorly lit, the OCR may struggle to read it accurately. A steady hand will help ensure that the text is captured correctly. You should see a visual cue once the text is recognized by the camera. When the text is recognized, you'll see the option to tap Insert. This action will add the scanned text directly into your note. This is an exciting moment because it transforms physical text into a digital format, making it easier to edit, search, and share. By tapping Insert, you're confirming that the scanned text meets your expectations. A quick glance at your note will show you the newly added text, which you can adjust as needed. Additionally, you can also scan an entire document by tapping Attachments and then selecting Scan Documents. This option allows you to capture multiple pages as a single document, which can be incredibly useful for longer texts. Scanning documents in this way also means that the entire content becomes searchable thanks to Apple's built-in OCR technology. This capability saves you time later when you need to locate specific information within your notes. After scanning your document, it will automatically be saved to your note. This makes sure that everything stays organized and accessible. You can review the scanned document and add any other notes or comments if necessary. It's a straightforward process that enhances your ability to manage important information. In conclusion, using OCR in Apple Notes can greatly improve your productivity. You can capture, organize, and search for text efficiently. By following these steps, you unlock the power of digital text recognition right from your device. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. Happy note-taking!